The following story has been brought to you by StoriesToInspire.org.
There was a fascinating incident that happened in Iran going back a few decades when our people, our brothers and our sisters in Iran lived under the terrible oppression of the Ayatollah. It was known that nobody was ever allowed to speak about the Ayatollah, ever to say anything negative, and especially when he was not feeling well, ever to talk about his health. There was a man, Rachamim. He owned a carpet store in Tehran, and it happened to be that there was somebody who knew him, opened the door and shouted in, "Rachamim, I heard that the Ayatollah died." There was a man outside, a man that was not from the faith, that got very upset. He heard something going on inside the store. He went and he took Rachamim, began to drag him out. He called the police. The police came and he said, "He was cursing now, our leader." The police went, put him in chains, took him to prison. It was a very heavy charge that was levied against him. Talking, cursing the head of the government, the Ayatollah. And so they made a court case. Everybody was there. They brought Rachamim in chains, and the judge was just about to start. However, there is one that doesn't know about any of the rules. There is one that doesn't know about any of the hierarchy. That's a Yiddish mama, a Jewish mother. Rachamim's mother barged in, ran over to Rachamim, and says, "Rachamim, are you guilty or are you innocent?" Rachamim says, "Mama, I'm innocent." Rachamim's mother said, "I believe you." Went to the judge in front of everybody and said, "Honored judge, I believe my son. You are a Muslim. I am Jewish. However, we both pray to God. God is the Shofet Kol Olam. God is the judge of the entire world. Let God be the judge. If my son is guilty, let him die within this week. However, if the person that accused him is guilty, let him die within this week." The judge said, "I accept." They put Rachamim back into the prison cell. The informer, the one that accused Rachamim, went outside, and as he was crossing the street, a bus came down the road and ran him over. LaYehudim hoysa oira v'simcha v'sason vikor. They freed Rachamim. Such is the power of Emunah Shalema. Such is the power of complete bitachon in Hashem. That woman, she barely knew how to read, but her emunah, her bitachon, was on the highest level that a human could get to in this world.
Enjoyed this story? Come again. Bring a friend. StoriesToInspire.org